The ORCA BioReactor has a screen at the bottom to drain the digested food waste. The ORCA is designed to retain the contaminants at the source. This feature can allow contaminants to clog the screen. The best way to clear a contaminant is to insert a pressure cleaner nozzle into the tank and spray it directly onto the screen. If the screen is not visible, you can insert the pressure cleaner nozzle through the biochips and use horizontal motions. Note, the location of the screen is at an angle and not directly at the bottom of the reactor tank.